Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the security. Now let's tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock, and of course enter your pattern too, or any other screen lock you've got applied to confirm. Now let's tap on the fingerprint, and here we've got of course the information about the fingerprint, so how it works, that you're in the control, so you can remove the fingerprint, and I highly recommend to actually read it to be aware of how the fingerprint unlock works. So let's tap on I agree after reading, and now we have to touch the sensor, which is located on the right side of our device. So I assume it is right here, as it is not covered with the case. So let me put my finger on it. And as you can see right now, we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part and do not duplicate it, for better recognition, of course. As you can see, it's quite sensitive. It really catches the area which has already been recorded. Okay, finally we've got it, so let's simply tap on Done. Okay, and this is the fingerprint section. We do not have a lot of options here. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it or rename it, and just by tapping on it, it's up to you. And we can add another fingerprint. I believe we can add up to 5 different fingerprints. Alright, so let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.